today we talk about how can you link it with apps on your app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, so you just go above this sign, click on it here. So then it's going to show for you list like this here. Then you click here on profile, click on it. Then it's going to take you to this list here. Just go above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to show for you list like this here. Then you click here on settings. So then it's going to take you to this list, and here can you link with socials here on your app. So that's all you have to do. So just click here on Facebook, then it's going to take you to your Facebook to link with your Facebook here, so or another apps. So that's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.